Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. It's a nice rainy day outside here in Florida, and I thought I would do an unboxing for you while I'm listening to the rain. And I have I'm babysitting my little granddogger. Her name is Georgia. She's sitting with me here in my craft room. And so this is from PandaHall. I was contacted by them. I've worked with them off and on for the last couple years. And they let me pick out $40, including shipping, worth of goodies. And I'm going to unbox them for you right now. I have a coupon code. I will put it below in the description. It's YXYTB Jewelry. And you can put that in the code at checkout and get 10% off your whole order with them. Now I will say, because I already looked through this, but I ordered a pound of beads. One of my things that I picked out was a pound of beads, and they were so heavy that the bag broke. So I had to put them in a sandwich bag. So, because they were all over the inside of the bag. I mean, this bag was so heavy. My husband brought it in from the mail. He's like, "What are you getting in here?" I said, "Beads." So, yeah. So let's open this up. So I got some real goodies here. And here's my pound of beads. I put the sticker on them, but how cool are these? Look at these, a whole pound of these. Can you imagine what we can make with these? Oh my gosh. So, let's see, I got this sheet with them, and I ended up printing out my stuff though, just so that I had everything in order. So I will put links to everything below in the description, and then you could just click on it, and if you want to order something directly like what I'm showing you today, or if you want to just go to their link of their website that's below and order some. You could order anything you want off of there, and it's 10% off. So let's see here. Let's get everything out. I got some goodies. I got some memory wire. I have been working on, let me see here. Hold on one second. Let me grab one of them. Where are they at? I have been working on some memory wire earrings. I love these for fall. So I got some memory wire. I'm going to do a tutorial using their beads. And one other thing, I have been making memory wire little bracelets like this, but then I add a lobster clasp and a little charm at the end, and I've been having a lot of fun with these. So I've been working with memory wire a lot. I don't know if I told you guys, I'm in a consignment store up at Wiregrass Mall in Wesley Chapel in Florida, and I have a table there, and it's so cool. It's for handmade sellers, and there's people who sell candles, some people sell clothing, they sell, and I have some of my jewelry and my artwork there, and I've been having so much fun because I've been making these pieces and just putting them in the store along with selling on my Etsy website, which my Etsy store is doing really well. I've been getting daily sales. It's been so nice. So anyway, so let's start. Let me start. I'm going to go in order here. I printed this out and it didn't print out too well. So look at these. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. You know what? I'm going to use this bigger bowl for everything. So look at these. They're so cute. Here's the back. Here's the front. They're little alloy charms. They're alloy enamel charms, cadmium-free and nickel-free and lead-free. Light gold, flower charms, aquamarine, whole. I got, let me see here. I got 100 of these for $1.94. Now, you know, I mean, look at these. Look how cute these are. You know that if you went to Michael's or one of those other stores, they would be a lot of money. And PandaHall's got some really great deals. Look at how cute these are. You could take these and you could make little charm necklaces, little pendants, little chokers, and dangle these from the front. You can put these on little charms on your bracelets. There's so much you can do with these. So I have that. I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to go in order of this sheet that I printed out. And next, look at these Picasso baking paint glass seed beads butterfly mix color. I got 100 of these for $8.27. So I think there's 10 bags. And so let me order. Here, I can move this one for this. So I have look at these. So there's 10 different colors in each one. So if you get 2 bags, you get 2 of the same colors. Look at how cute these are. And let me show you. I've been having such a creative spurt that I can't sleep at night. It's been crazy. I'm binge watching videos and just look at these. Look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh, these are, and you could do them like this. They're so cute. I'm loving these for little charms. Look at that. You could do like a little connect like this, or you could do all 3 of them flat like this. But I mean, 100 of these. That is really cheap. So I have, there's 20 in here, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes. So I'll keep those right there. I'm probably gonna transfer all of these over afterwards. Okay, and then next, I'm gonna have to move these. Okay, next is the pound beads. I had to bring in one of my bowls from my kitchen just to show you this, because this is like off the charts. I'm not gonna dump them all out. They're, okay, it's spray painted glass seed beads, oval mixed color. I got 1 pound, look at all these. I got 1 pound of these beads for $11.35. They were regularly $16.22. So let me put a few of them on, and they're so cool. They're kind of like the same. Like if you look at these, they're kind of almost like the same colors as these. So let's see. They're so cool. Grab a couple different colored ones. And so, see? I mean, you could separate these out, the colors, or you could just do them like random. And you could do a butterfly with them. Wait till you see, I've got a couple really cool tutorials that I've already got planned for this. So this is the pound of beads. And even if you do like eclectic jewelry and you just want spacers and fillers in your jewelry, these are really pretty too, because they have so many like different colors and striations in each bead from them being spray painted, that it can really add some a new color to your jewelry. So we have these. And let me see. Next, I got the memory wire, and it's steel memory wire, round wire for wrapping, making bracelets. It's real, this is real, real 18 karat gold plated, 22 gauge, and 90 pieces, so it goes around 90 times for $1.05. I don't know if any of you have bought this at Michael's, but this is like $6, no, even more than that. And for you to get like a big stack like this goes around 90 times for $1.05. I think I'm going to be ordering some more of these because I have really been loving the memory wire. So we have the gold, and we have, this is steel memory wire, round for wire. It's steel color, and 90 pieces for $1.05 too. So this is like, and they had a couple different ones too. I don't think they had copper or anything, but they had like more of like a black steel, I think, and more of a brighter gold. So we have these. These are great. I've got some great tutorials, like I said, coming up for you. And then next, I got Tibetan style bead caps, zinc alloy bead caps, lead free and nickel free, cadmium free, antique bronze color, 8mm in diameter. I got 100 pieces for $1.25. Oh, these are so pretty. And they make little, let me see if I can just find a bead to stick in there. Just to kind of show you. This is just one of my random beads. So that's how, and this is how it looks. I got something under my nail there. So that's how it looks. And they're really cute. And I use these too as like caps over beads, like if you're making flowers and stuff. There's a lot of uses for these. Excuse me. So I got these. And then last but not least, this is where I messed up. I printed out these papers and I printed them wrong. Okay. Last but not least, get this right here. I got these adorable alloy enamel charms. They're gold and black. I got 100 pieces for $1.94. Well, then one second, I got a little thing inside of there. Look at how cute these are. And then even the so this is the front. And then even the back is cute. The back's got like those little dots on them. So they're just, oh my gosh. I'm going to be having a blast. Having that consignment table, it's like now I just make jewelry and I put it up there for sale, and I'm having so much fun. I have been in a creative spurt. Like I said, it's been crazy. So this whole order was $39.90. So I got all of this for that. And imagine all of the jewelry you can make with this. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is so funny. I've never bought a pound of beads before like this, but I think I might have to do that a little more often. So like I said, I have a coupon code YXYTB Jewelry, and you use that at checkout for 10% off your whole order with them at PandaHall. And I also will I have 2 tutorials coming up with these, so stay tuned for those. And in the description below, I have my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook. And now I've been having a little fun with TikTok too. So you can find me on there as well. And please, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so and give me a thumbs up so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can hit that notification bell. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.